President Uhuru Kenyatta mutumia wake Margaret Kenyatta ũndũmwe na bamĩrĩ ya ũthingira-inĩ wa iregi matabanĩirio igongona rĩa gũcokia ngatho thutha wa ũtungata wa ihinda rĩa mĩaka 10. Igongona rĩrĩ rĩkinyĩtio nĩ aruti wĩra thingira-inĩ wa iregi kuma ikero ciothe arĩa moritio mathiĩ na mbere na gũtungata bũrũri ikero-inĩ ingĩ iria mekuthie.
We have served each according to the calling. If you are a musician, that's where you are serving. It's your gold that you are serving to. If you serve the president or any other staff with tea, if you are a secretary, if you are a planner, if you are a strategist, you have served in that capacity. And that's what David is saying. Each gave towards the building.
Jahazi ya serikali ama nchi haisimami, yaendelea. Sisi tulichukua usukani kutoka kwa wengine na tutapatia wengine, kwa sababu nchi lazima isonge mbele. Yangu kwa sababu vile tulipata wengi wenu mkiwa hapa, wengi wenu pia tutawawacha hapa. Na yangu ni kuwaomba vile tumefanya kazi pamoja, pia mshirikiane na hawa wengine ambao watakuja na muwasaidie pia kutimiza mengi na makubwa hata zaidi.
Kwaya ya thingira wa iregi ni yetongoretie nyimbo cia igongona rĩrĩ. Kuma mwaka wa 2013, President Uhuru ni athiũrũrũkĩtio kuonio mbica cia mwanya iria anabũrwo kuma rĩrĩa atuĩkire president na cigĩtwo irĩ ta kĩririkano kĩa maũndũ marĩa akinyanĩirie wathani-inĩ wake arĩ ta president wa kana.
Because it is that dedication to work, that commitment to your country, that patriotism, that dedication, that is the difference between great nations and small banana republics. It is not an individual cannot make a country great, but a team and people working together has the capacity to make a country great.
Geribotera Inoro TV, Jetago Masi, Wadia wa Murithi.
Meza mbele yangu, machoni pa watesi wangu, umenipaka